it took me years. That problem that I described of needing to have because I was concerned of what other people thought of me, that persisted well into my life. And it was well after I began making enormous amounts of money that I finally realized that wasn't going to solve the problem. I remember there's this illustration I've given you of absolutely not refusing to have to ask how much it costs and being willing to do whatever it takes to eliminate that financial scarcity. That persisted well into my years of success. And there came a time, it was in 1996, actually, I remember it very, very clearly, when I, for the first time, bought an exotic car. And I bought a Lamborghini. And I ordered the Lamborghini from the factory in Italy. And as I went through the ordering process, I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this. I described it all. And when it was all said and done, the person, the representative in Detroit who was helping me place the order said, well, Mr. Schroeder, would you like to know what all this costs? And I said, no, thank God I don't. I don't want to know how much it costs because It doesn't matter. And I thought that would make me happy. And I got the Lamborghini. And you know what? 6 months later, I was the same miserable guy driving a Lamborghini as I was 6 months before without the Lamborghini. All it was that week's or that month's medicine, so that people, when I pulled into valet, would say, wow, look what Randy's got. See, here's what I now know to want. What I really want is to be more happy more of the time. What I really want is to be comfortable in my skin. What I really want is to have a sense of peace and ease and comfort. Now, I will tell you that I don't find fault with those who pursue financial gain. I still do. I wouldn't be in Dubai today were I not continuing to pursue financial gain. However, that pursuit of financial gain now fits within an overall framework. It's one of the things that is important to me. Money does not solve the problems in life. I, in fact, was as unhappy with money as I was without it. Money doesn't solve the problems. However, financial scarcity exacerbates or compounds every other problem we have in our life. And so I'm a complete, total advocate of doing that which is required to eliminate financial scarcity, so long as that which we do is something that is a worthy project, such that our success is more than the successes of other people. There has to be an overall goodness to it. But today, for me, it's very, very simple. Do I want a Lamborghini? No. If I wanted one, I'd buy one. What I really want is to be more happy more of the time. And so that's a combination of it's really financial security. Most importantly, it's a sense of peace and ease and comfort that the way I lived my life today doesn't require that I make any apologies tomorrow.